You can add tables to your notes in Apple Notes. Go to the table icon on the keyboard toolbar to add a 2x2 table. That is the default table Apple Notes creates each time you create a new table. You can also select some text you want included in your table. Then go to the table icon to create a new table with that text. You can add more rows and columns by going to the three dots icon to select either a row or a column. Then you have to tap it again for, let's say, your column to bring up the pop-up menu with options to delete the column or add a new column. The process is the same for adding new rows to your table. Once you've added some information to your table, you can format all the text in a row or a column all at once by going to the three dots icon to select that whole row or column first. Then you have to bring up the pop-up menu that allows you to format, to make your text bold, italic, underlined, or strike out. To format words in a single cell, double tap or long press the cursor to bring up a pop-up menu. Select all and go to Format. You can also copy or cut the text to paste it anywhere you want. Manually selecting all the text in a cell automatically selects multiple rows and columns. So while you're selecting your text, when you select way more than is in the cell, the app will automatically select multiple rows and columns. Drag the dots on the selection to adjust it to choose exactly what you want to select. To edit the whole table, you can place your cursor anywhere on the table and go to the tables icon, which will have some options for you to delete the table or convert the table to text. So this will remove the table and just keep the text in the table. You can share the table out of the app or copy table to paste it anywhere. Some apps will not support the table, so when you paste it, it won't be able to paste the table.